Your parking lot isn't just pavement. It's a critical asset that affects your property's value, safety, and image. But what if every dollar you spent maintaining it could return up to $10 in avoided future repair costs? This isn't just about saving money later. This is about potentially doubling the life of your existing pavement. Yet most property owners get trapped in an expensive cycle. Ignore the small problems, wait for failure, then replace. We'll show you how to break that cycle by identifying the enemies of asphalt and the strategies that protect your investment. So, what are we fighting against? It's a battle on multiple fronts against silent, relentless forces. The number one enemy is water. It seeps into the smallest openings, attacking the pavement's foundation from within. Next is the freeze-thaw cycle. Trapped water freezes, expands with immense force, and shatters the asphalt from the inside. And finally, the sun. Its UV rays oxidize the asphalt, making it brittle and gray. A seal coat acts like sunscreen, offering protection. But these external threats are only half the story. The real danger starts once they get inside your pavement structure. You'll see it escalate from a single line to spider web patterns to potholes. This signals deep structural trouble. The key to this failure is understanding what happens beneath the surface. It all comes down to the subbase. Every crack is an open invitation for water to bypass the asphalt. It then saturates and weakens the gravel subbase. Once the base is compromised, the asphalt above it has no support. Vehicle loads then flex the pavement, causing it to fail. This progressive failure is what creates alligator cracking, the sign your pavement structure is gone and needs full reconstruction. Understanding this chain reaction from a tiny crack to total collapse is fundamental. Are you seeing these signs now? This is why even simple acts like regular sweeping are effective. It removes the grit that starts micro cracks. The consequences of this decay aren't just structural. Potholes and uneven surfaces create serious trip and fall hazards. For vehicles, this means expensive damage to tires, suspension systems, and alignment. Costs your customers may bear. Beyond vehicle damage, there is a massive liability risk. One lawsuit can easily exceed the cost of years of maintenance. And don't underestimate curb appeal. A cracked, faded parking lot signals neglect and directly lowers your property's value. The risks of neglect are clear, from structural collapse to legal liability. So how do we shift to strategic, proactive care? First, a common myth. Seal coating is not a repair. It is a protective shield. You must fix cracks and potholes before applying it. Beyond seal coating, advanced rejuvenators can actually reverse oxidation, restoring flexibility to aging asphalt. Proactive care also means looking for hidden threats. Even tree roots can infiltrate and destroy pavement from below. Finally, a proactive plan must be year-round, accounting for summer UV rays, winter freeze-thaw cycles, and heavy spring rains. As you can see, this is about more than just filling potholes. Effective pavement maintenance is a strategic, ongoing process. Now let's connect it all. Remember the $1 that saves 10? And remember how water reaching the sub-base is the failure point? This is where that ROI comes from. The money spent on crack sealing creates a waterproof barrier, stopping water from destroying the sub-base. A seal coat is not just for a black finish. It stops the UV damage that makes asphalt brittle, which then leads to cracks. And there's a powerful environmental benefit. Asphalt is America's most recycled material. Doubling its life conserves resources. Proactive pavement maintenance isn't an expense. It is a strategic asset management decision with predictable returns. You save enormous amounts of money. You can double your pavement's lifespan. You improve safety, and you preserve property value. The question isn't, can I afford to be proactive? It is, can I truly afford the consequences of not being proactive? Start today. Walk your property, identify early warning signs, and partner with a professional to create a maintenance plan.